Right. SC57 flashing, pressure so high, Worcester-Bosch boiler. Guess what? It's leaking. Why doesn't that surprise us, huh? The amount of leaking Worcester-Bosches we get these days. Oh well, let's go and sort this one out then. This was leaking from. Yeah. I guess this is going to be a mission to sort out, isn't it? Right. So it's leaking from. Yeah. You see? Ding 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 ding. Most common problem on these are. Right, how are we gonna sort this one out then, innit? Tin 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 tin. We changed the manifold on it. No leaks, pressure's up. So we took the old one out. Right. And guess what we noticed? Look at the condenser. It's totally freaking blocked up, you know. Freaking blocked up. So I'm gonna have to freeze that with using God knows what. Gonna have to do some God knows improvising. Change it to 1095 money. It's all we can find. Birmingham boiler fix. If your boiler is broken down, South Birmingham, give us a shout. I'm gonna say.